The man has achieved a lot. Man, who has been able to go to space, is still lagging behind in terms of health. In recent times, the use of microwave has increased after the advancement of technology. Microwave has given us a way to heat and cook anything in a quick, be it rice or anything else. But since everyone says it has so many disadvantages, can we use something instead? There are electric ovens instead of microwave ovens. Electric ovens do not have the same disadvantages caused by microwave ovens. Food is heated in a microwave oven. And why the loss? What are the disadvantages of microwave oven? Atom bombs are made by ionizing radiation. When they release, plants, cattle, animals, and people all die due to the radiation effect. The radiation coming in this microwave oven is called non-ionizing radiation. Heat is produced by electromagnetic waves. It does not heat anything inside, it only heats the material placed in it. The water in that material boils and heats up due to this radiation effect. The material is heated by this heat. So it gets heated by the radiation effect through those waves, so the radiation effect is on the food. It sends a lot of heat in the material in a very short period of time and heats up quickly. We are also told that the faster it rises, the faster it falls. The more speed it cooks, the more dangerous it is. Slow cooking is actually better. Being at high speed is very bad. By cooking these ingredients in a microwave oven, some chemical compounds released in this food are made the food very dangerous. They release BPA, polyethylene, benzene, xylenes, etc. All these can enter through this food and cause many types of diseases and cancers. 20 to 25% vitamins are also destroyed. Carbohydrates or fats are made at high speed in a microwave oven, so more free radicals are formed. Therefore, it is said that the use of microwave ovens is one of the reasons for the occurrence of breast cancer and prostate cancer. We think that there is no harm in using microwave oven normally. In 1990, Germans heated water in a microwave oven and after cooling this water a little, poured it on the plants. The plants died. That is to say, the electrons present in it have lost their naturalness due to the changes in the water. Based on this, now microwave ovens have been banned in Germany. Microwave ovens have been banned in Japan. Orders are now being passed to stop making new ones in America as well. Now changes are coming. Because of these microwave ovens, the speed at which we can cook, heat, and repeat is also a reason for the increase in diseases. Electric ovens are coming instead of microwave oven. Electric ovens can be used. In electric ovens, heat comes from electric pads through electric coils. They heat up and the hot air spreads throughout the oven. The ingredients will be cooked by that heat. The heat will evaporate the water. The heat softens the material. Microwave oven has radiation effect. There is no radiation effect in electric oven, only bare heat.